Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Louis Profits, and today is a video that I've been wanting to do for a while. It's a video of a step-by-step guide for the new eBay sellers that want to get into selling on eBay and making an income out of it. You can maybe quit your job after a while. That's what I did when it came to eBay. eBay really has changed my life in a sort of way. eBay is an amazing tool to use to build up your e-commerce brands and to also just gain a quick side income, whichever one you want to do. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing is, what type of eBay seller do you want to be? So there's a few types, so let me just explain the different types that you might want to be. So number one is, first one you've most likely heard of for sure, is dropshipping. So let me just explain what dropshipping is if you don't know what it is already, and how it can be implemented into eBay. So eBay dropshipping, or dropshipping in general. So you've probably heard of AliExpress, Alibaba, things like that. It's where a lot of people go. I personally don't use that for dropshipping. I don't think they're very good. If you want to watch my best dropshipping supplier, you should watch my last eBay video. I explain that in depth. So what will happen is, you will buy a product from somewhere like that, and then you will list that product onto eBay, but you won't actually buy it in bulk to then have to post it yourself. What will happen is, when you get a sale on eBay, you'll then go ahead and order that product from that supplier, and they will then ship it to the customer. So what are the things you need to look for when finding a supplier? Number one, you want to make sure they're dropshipping friendly. Number two, you want to make sure that they don't have you want to make sure it's a discrete package, so it doesn't have the package supplier's name on the box, it doesn't have an invoice, anything like that, no receipts. You don't want anything like that. You just want a brown cardboard box with the product in that's safely packaged. That's all you want. So let's get into the second type of eBay seller. The second type of eBay seller would be a wholesaler. So a wholesaler would be someone that buys bulk of a product on a wholesale website. So they'll buy 100 units of one product, and then they will sell it for more on eBay, and they'll make a profit that way. And there's a lot more profit to be had when you're wholesaling. I'm not a wholesaler, but I know many wholesalers and how they do it and what they do with it. But what a wholesaler is they'll buy units and they'll sell it. They'll be buying those units for a cheaper price per product than if they were drop shipping it. So let's say you've got a wow stick that you're drop shipping, a popular drop shipping item, and you're buying it on, let's say, Banggood for £11, right? You're buying it for £11 there, but if you were to wholesale it and buy it in bulk, you might be able to get it for £6. But you're buying 100 of them for £6 each, £600, and you could then sell them for a lot cheaper than everyone else is on eBay, as most people are drop shipping. So there's more profit margin to be had, but there's a lot more work involved. There's a lot more product research, and there's a lot more risk, because you could potentially not get any sales of the product you're trying to sell. Then you've got a load of product there that you can't move, and it's very risky for you. And the third and final type of eBay seller would be someone that is an arbitrage seller. So it's sort of similar to eBay dropshipping, but it's not entirely. So let's say it's someone that goes to car boot sales, it's someone that goes to B&Qs and picks up popular items that sell, such as in summer you got the hot tubs, you got the what they called the fireplace things, the chimeneas. You got all those sort of things that you could just go into B&Q and you could sell on eBay same day for like £100 profit, as they sell out so quick in the stores. So they sell for a lot more online as there's high demand, so you can charge higher prices for high demand. So they are the three types of eBay sellers. So now you've decided what type of eBay seller you want to be. You want to look for your suppliers. So if you want to do wholesale, you can just go onto any of these, you go onto any wholesale website, 95% off RRP, and you can sell the popular items on there. And some of them are paid, but go for free ones. Don't pay for any suppliers. It's not worth it. Trust me. A lot of free ones are a lot better than paid suppliers. First-hand experience. Trust me. So once you've found your supplier and you've got the products you want to buy, you've made your eBay account. So the next thing would be deciding, do you want a business account, a shop account, which will cost you £20 per month. So the difference is, this is the one having no shop and this is basic. So the basic no shop would be £1,000 a month. And obviously it will increase from there, but if it's a new account, it will be like that. You'll get Seller Manager Pro, you'll get a shop front as well, which means they go onto your eBay store and it will look like a website. You can lay it out however you want, and it's really good like that. And obviously this will increase as well, but you gotta get sales and it will slowly increase and you'll be able to list more. And also the actual value of the items you're allowed to list will go up as well, so you'll be able to list more expensive items, which is always good. But yeah, so if we also look here, personally, this is how I do things. On a new account, I'll keep it as personal until I start building that up. Once I've built it up, I will then get a shop account, as it's £20 a month. You won't even see it leave, as you're earning so much profit from doing it. You do it when you're ready to do it, basically. There's no time you're supposed to do it, but you definitely do want to end up having a business account eventually. It is an important thing you want to do. And also creating an eBay, little tip here, creating eBay business accounts is a lot easier for creating stealth accounts than if you were to create a load of personal. If you created a ton of personal stealth accounts, it's more chance that it gets suspended. You want to be having eBay business accounts, stealth accounts. If you don't know how to create a stealth account, I've got a video teaching you how you can create eBay stealth accounts. You don't want to be getting anything like this. This is like my 4th account now, which has been suspended. And this was quite a while ago, but I've now realised you want to be doing business stealth accounts. They've lasted so much longer for me, so you definitely want to take that into account if you're a new eBay seller as well. So now you've started selling, you want to start increasing that feedback, you want to start increasing those sales, so then you can start increasing your limit. Limit is so important, especially if you're a drop shipper. I've done this firsthand and I know how important this is. You want to have a limit on eBay of at least £10,000 a month that you can list. Trust me, because dropshipping, not every product's going to sell, and some products sell very fast, and you have to keep increasing that stock. And once you go over that limit, you can't increase that stock. That product will no longer be able to be sold, and you've just got to wait it out until you can increase your limit. So what you want to do, your first month eBay dropshipping, you want to be active. Any sale you get, you want to fulfill that as quick as you can. Any question, you want to sort that out. Any issue, any case being created by the buyer, just refund them or return it. Just do it so you have better feedback. You want to have the best feedback possible so you can increase those limits faster. Trust me on this, it's worth it long term. You need to get that done. It's very good for your long term process. So the last thing would be, now you're getting sales, you want to have a spreadsheet, of course. You want to keep track of everything, because the goal is you want to expect to be paying tax in the end of this. You want this. It might start as a side hustle. I've had this problem. I thought it was going to be a side hustle. I didn't register anything, I didn't keep track of anything. I just thought, okay, I'll be making what, £100 a month extra, decent, it goes towards my car, it goes towards everything like that. But no, it increased very fast, and around Christmas time it seriously boomed, and I was making a load more money than usual. I went over the tax bracket, which is 12.3k in the UK. If you go over that in profit, you have to be paying tax, and obviously you got to fill out a self-assessment form. Filling that out, you got to be able to show everything you spent money on. You got to show how you came to that profit total, and everything like that. And if you don't have it, it's going to be very long for you. You're going to have to figure it all out, and it will take many days for you to do it all. And it just gets you in a mess. You just don't want to be there. You don't want to be there. Just take this from me. Take this from me. You want to have a spreadsheet and keep control of everything. And if you're worried about how to use spreadsheets and things like that, don't worry, I've got a video for you teaching you how you can make an automatic spreadsheet so you can keep track of all your sales and you won't be screwed when it comes to tax. And also, the benefit is you just know how much money you're actually making. You know how much money you're making exactly with all the fees and everything, how much profit you're making on each and every item. And also, it makes it a lot easier for you. For example, when you get a sale, you just go into your spreadsheet, Control F, type the item name in, and then you just press it as it's linked, and then you can order it straight away. It's very easy. You know how much profit you made. It really is amazing. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching this video, then I really would appreciate a like and a comment, and also a subscribe if that's not too much to ask. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.